Hello all, Ritvik here. Hope you guys are doing great. Today, I'll talk about open source contribution and an event named HacktoberFest, which marks your journey into the open source world. So, without any further ado, let's understand what is open source. Open source is basically a source code of a file or an application is made publicly available through Git clients like GitHub, Bitbucket, or GitLab. Now, contributing to open source may seem daunting at first, but it's a process, a gradual one. You can start by refactoring the code simply by adding and fixing some typos and contributing to the README file. If you have some high level skills like coding in Python, Java, or any other language, you can fix those issues and create pull requests. So, how do I create pull requests? First of all, I expect you have created your account on any Git client like GitLab, GitHub, or Bitbucket. If you have done very well, next find a public repository you want to contribute to. In my case, I have found as Coding in Interview University by Jay Washington. He basically he basically was a military officer and then transitioned to software engineer. Okay, that's the background story. Basically, he has created the interview prep required for any student who wants to get into the FANG companies, and I have created extra files for this repo. Basically, I create a fork using the fork button provided here. My bad. Yes. Basically, I created a fork of the repository using the fork button, and I have the same repo cloned in my profile. Now, if I want to make some changes, I can make it in here, or basically just copy the URL and type in terminal or Windows command prompt using git clone and the URL provided. I have covered it in my previous video. You can check it out and make the changes. Now I have made the revision plan.md change and the change in the readme.md file. You can see that my branch is 3 commits ahead of the master branch by Jay Washington. Now if I select the compare option, you will be able to see the changes which I have made, and if there are no conflicts arising, I will be able to merge. Now that's it. That's what is required to create a pull request. And now I click and I'll add the title revision MD revision plan preparation for students and the following description. That's it. Furthermore, if you want to contribute to on a larger scale, there is an event named HacktoberFest. HacktoberFest is basically a month-long contributing to open source projects, in which if you are lucky 70,000 people, first lucky 70,000 people, you get a t-shirt or even plant a tree. It is organized by DigitalOcean and you have great resources for it as well. What you require is just create 4 pull requests. That's it, and you will be eligible for the prize. Now, there are some criteria for creating pull requests. Basically, you cannot create the same refactoring code pull request 4 times. You need some major changes like solving some issues or relevant information is provided. You can check it. For you to start hacking, just click the button. If you have the GitHub profile set up, it will automatically sign you in. In my case, it is, and that's it. 0 pull request. I need to create one right now. That's it. That's your start for the open source journey. If you do want to try out and contribute as a sample, you can contribute to this repository mentioned by Vinit Shah. I'll link them in the description. Yes, very well maintained set of repositories which the first time open source contributors can contribute to. Alternatively, I have Ishan 20th Malik's Hacktober 2020, HacktoberFest 2020 repo, in which you can also commit and same thing. Also, you can check out my Instagram post, which can help you. Hope you ace it very well and you win the competition as well. Thank you and signing off.